What's up, YouTube? It's the Money back with another video. Today we're gonna wash the Alfa. Might give y'all a little drive. Yeah, I think that's it. It's just something slight, something to post. Car really dirty. Don't look at the plate. But yeah, it's really dirty. It needs that wash real bad. Like some sauce got spilled on it. I don't know. It's just real dirty. It needs a wash. So that's what we're gonna do today. We using some, I ain't gonna lie, we using some cheap soap from Dollar General. You feel me? Cause hey, as long as the car clean, cause I mean, daily driver, so it don't really matter for real. If y'all wanna walk around to see what all the mods it got on it, let me know in the comments. I could do a video on that. But yeah, let's get this wash started. Alright, y'all, so I stopped the video, and then as soon as I was about to start it, I hurt my hand. So I was like, nah, I'm good. I'm about to just go ahead and wash it. I ain't finna show y'all step by step, cause that y'all hurt. But yeah, I'm done. Did the best I could do. It looks clean, you know. Sun beaming. But yeah, she looked good. I gotta finish putting on the tire shine. You know, move the top, move it back a little bit so I can get the whole tire. But other than that, it look good. So I'm gonna do that real quick. And then next clip, we should be in the car doing a POV. All right, so we back. Yeah, POV. Real quick, a little short one, can't be too long. But yeah, car is clean, so might as well get y'all POV. I'm gonna try and use paddle shifters. But I don't know if I'm gonna be able to with this camera. I'm gonna try though, Yeah, this car got race mode installed. It's not a quadrifoglio, but it do got race mode installed to it. Mods got coder intake. It's tuned, stage 2 tune. It doesn't have any exhaust work. Getting that done soon. And got carbon fiber bits everywhere. That's really it. Just the tune really wakes it up. So I don't know if y'all can hear the the blow-off valve coder intake noise now better than my last video. Check that one out if you ain't watched it yet. But it sounds real good. I wonder if you can hear it better since the window's up. I hope so, but yeah, it sounds real good. I mean, you know, you got the paddles, so there we go. I can do this, I think. Third and fourth gear where it really picks up a lot like a lot. You can feel it. For a 4-cylinder, it's really torquey, you know. Feel the power. So, yeah. The paddles are pretty big. I could show y'all once I'm stopped. I think I'm about to be stopped now. And the shifts are fast in this thing. Yeah, the paddles are nice. They're metal. You can hear them. They big, so it's easy to get to. So, yeah, this car's a lot of fun. It's not mine, it's my uncle's, but I might plan on getting one. It's either this or a Charger RT. I don't know. I'm debating on it. Cause I like this for the turbo, but I like the Charger for the V8 rumble. And I also want to see which one's faster. That would probably help my decision. A modded Charger versus a modded Alfa. Charger probably gonna win, but both are very fun. Both are quick. Charger, you can make it quick. This comes quick. Chargers, you know, sluggish when they come from factory. Very restricted. But yeah. This thing's nice interior. Red seats. A lot of features. So, I mean, hey. It's a win-win either way. But, you know, I gotta also think about insurance, how much the car actually is. So that's some things to consider. Dang, you were all the way at the line. Yeah, this thing boogies, I ain't gonna lie. This thing get rowdy. And like when you shift it with the paddles, you can feel the shifts, and it's like, it feels insane. Like you feel the car jerk up a little bit, but it's quick. So it's like snaps. Like I think when he gets the exhaust done, he's gonna do exhaust and downpipe. I feel like when you when he does that, it's gonna like snap. Like when you hear the shifts, you're gonna hear it. Like how BMWs and Audis and stuff be, I feel like it's gonna do that. They all got this, well, the BMWs and this, they basically got the same ZF 8-speed auto. So, I mean, hey, it should all be similar. So, just different engines. But this engine, I'm pretty sure it'll do it. You can hear it sometimes stop. So, I mean, so, yeah. snappy it is. I'm pretty sure. It's nice. I think I'm finna run into a lot of traffic, so I think I'm gonna stop the video right here. So if you liked what you see, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notices, get new videos, like, comment, subscribe. All support, I'm grateful for it, thankful for it, and I appreciate you for tuning into this video. It's D Money, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.